Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Swiftkey app so you control its behavior. Tap typing, then typing and autocorrect to reveal predictive features. Make sure Swiftkey is active in system languages and input, otherwise changes won't apply. Once done, look for options labeled predictions, next word suggestions, or typing predictions. You're aiming for the predictive toggles, they're typically grouped. This step gets you to the switches you'll change in the next slide, so don't skip verifying the active keyboard. Now, flip the actual switches. Turn off Show Predictions and Next Word Suggestions to stop word bars and predicted phrases. Disable Autocorrect if you want no automatic replacements, and turn off Personalized Predictions to stop learned vocabulary from reappearing. Once toggled, close any app using the keyboard and reopen it to confirm changes. Sometimes the keyboard needs a quick restart to clear cached suggestions. Make sure to test in a messaging app, because that's where predictive behavior is most. Finish by clearing learned data if unwanted words keep appearing. Account clear typing data removes learned vocabulary. Once done, test by typing several sentences. The suggestion bar should no longer offer predictions. If predictions persist, uninstall updates or reinstall Swiftkey to reset corrupted settings. This is a stronger reset. Troubleshooting tip. If predictions return after signing into your Microsoft account, disable cloud backup or sign out to prevent synced learned words from restoring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.